Good day, everyone. My name is Sifo, and I am a web development student from Simtech Academy. This is my first landing page. Join me as I walk you through it. At the nav section, you would see the company logo, Benetech Oil and Gas. It was an inspiration from my dad's company. And we will also see at the right side, you will see about services, projects, and contacts. This is my hero section. At the hero section, there's a right to reliable procurement and industrial logistics solutions. We help businesses source materials, deploy manpower efficiently across the oil, gas, and marine sector. And at our next section, it talks about the company, about us, who we are. Benetech is a trusted logistics and procurement support company focused on helping industries complete projects faster and smarter. Going forward, we'll get to our services. The services that we render at Benetech Oil and Gas. First on our list is procurement and logistics. Procurement and logistics, we source and supply industrial materials, spare parts, safety equipment, oil tools, construction materials, and urgent project needs from trusted vendors. Our next service is project support. We supply workforce deployment, equipment transport, site coordination, delivery scheduling, operational planning, and emergency support. Our next service is cargo handling and storage, temporary warehousing, and organized movement of materials from industrial operations. The next service we render is marine logistics support, vessel hire, offshore movement, crew transportation, and marine operational support. Our amazing clients. We have had the privilege to work with some of Nigeria's visionary brands. We've worked with NNPC, Nigeria National Petroleum Corporation. We've also worked with Seplat, and we've also worked with West Eye Logistics Resources Limited. And down to the footer is our contacts section. Need reliable logistics support for your next project? You can contact us through our phone line or through our email, and our address, you would also find it here. This website was created to be mobile friendly for our mobile users. We would see the hero section. We would also see the about section and our services. Then we go down to the projects we've handled and our contact section. And this is also my hamburger button. It is responsive. This website was created with the use of my HTML, my CSS, and my JavaScript. This is the HTML I used in creating this website. This is the header, and this is the body section. In the body, we have the nav section. Then we go down to the hero section and the hero text. And then we go down to the about section and down to the service section. Then we also go down to the company we have been opportune to work with, the section, and footer section, the contact section. This is the JavaScript I used in creating the hamburger for the mobile nav, and this is the CSS I used in styling and beautifying the website. These are the codes I used in creating this beautiful website. Thank you.